Hey guys, welcome to Online Money Gold. So today I'll be showing you all how to make $100 by just sharing a link, and this is going to be on autopilot mode, and you will be making unlimited money by just sharing that one single link. Now here we go. Now in this video I'll be showing you all how to make money with Wix. I think most of you would have known about Wix. Wix is a website builder, so you can create amazing website which is really responsive, and the user interface will also be amazing. Now creating a website here is that simple because you just have to drag and drop, edit and make your website as how you want. Now it is so easy to create a website here, but now this is not going to be our topic. Now you should be a website owner in order to get your affiliate program activated. So make sure you have a website that has a very high traffic coming in. Now if you are ready with your website, now start making $100 per day for every convertible sale that you make from your affiliate link. So your affiliate link will be a unique link that tracks each and every person that comes through your link. Now whoever signs and gets in the premium account or premium subscription from Wix, you will be making $100 for that sale. And this is not going to be limited, like you can make unlimited money from this. Unlimited referrals, unlimited money. But make sure you have on mind that this has a threshold. You're not going to get the payout of $100 for just making one sale. You have a target. You have to make $300 per month in order to get that payout to your bank account. Now here, make sure you submit all your site details, URL and your personal details and click on submit, and wait for your application to be reviewed, and you will be letting in shortly from the Wix team if you are approved, and they will be checking your website and traffic and everything in order to approve your application. So make sure you give the best performing website for this one and become an affiliate today and start making unlimited money on autopilot, because just sharing one link in Pinterest and think about how many people are going to click from it. And make sure you don't make any clickbaity content, because make sure you do a proper educational content that promotes Wix through it. So by that way people will also be trusting you and will also be buying and purchasing premium plans, and make sure you give a legitimate value to that content. After getting approved, you will be able to see all your stats and how it is performing. Say for example, if you are going to provide a link, the user gets in through it and he's not signing up for anything, but after that he just thinks about it and he wants to join Wix and he is purchasing a premium plan from some other link. Now the good news is you will be making money because Wix remembers your affiliate links, because it saves all the cookies from the user, and if the user has seen this website for the first time from your link, then you will be getting paid for that sale. Now isn't that really great? Start making money today on autopilot mode, and making $300 threshold, you will be notified through mail every 15th of month for the payout. Now that's all about the video guys. If you like it, do share and start making money today, and make sure you subscribe to this channel so that you will be notified whenever I make a new video. Meet you all in the next video. Until then, bye and thank you.